So in the earlier slides, we have seen Six Sigma, we have seen Lean. Now let's understand this, how these two powerful forces can join hands together and do wonders in the process improvement. During 2000, professionals realized that these two powerful methodologies can combine together and can be applied in the process improvement space. So Lean Six Sigma started being implemented in the processes from year 2000 onwards. Let's understand traditional Six Sigma approach by this simple example of account opening process. Okay, where input is filled up forms and there is a process involved which has been broken down. You can see here, and the output is new account opened. Let's see, the first process step is to receive the filled up forms here. Okay, where you can see generally 5% defects are found. This graph represents the defect. Then the next step is back office physical checking of the form. Then the next process step is account processing on system, where also 10% of the defects are found. These numbers are just for explanation of the concept. Going ahead, signature capturing is a new process, and then checking discrepancies, and then the new account is opened. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 steps until the new account is opened. And at various stages, you can see there are defects being generated. At form filling stage, there are 5% defect. In account processing in the system stage, there are 10% defects. Okay, so traditional Six Sigma would attack on the processes and try and reduce the defects, like what is shown in the graph. Okay, now let's understand how Lean Six Sigma together can optimize, can improvise this process. The same process we can take as example. Now here you can see these triangles which represent the WIP. So the first process step, which is filled up forms, triangle represents the number 40 represents there are 40 forms which are pending before the back office physical check. Then after back office physical check goes to the account processing system. The forms are 38. So there are 38 WIP is present before the system. Then goes the next step, which is signature capturing. 34 forms are pending there. And again, the next one, which is checking discrepancies, 34 forms are pending there as well. So what Lean does, Lean reduces the WIP. It will attack on these 40, 38, 34, and 34. The moment it reduces, it increases the velocity of the flow, velocity of the material or the forms being passed through this process. It improves the speed of the process as well. So, in summary, you can see this optimum resource and time. This is what is achieved by the Lean, and defect-free output. So Six Sigma will attack on the defects, and Lean will reduce the WIP and improve the velocity and the speed of the process. So we can have a faster and defect-free new account opening at the end of the process. Okay, so let's illustrate this even further. Now Six Sigma basically is attacking on the process variation. If there is too much of rework, poor quality, process not in control, unexplainable shifts in the processes, ineffective inspection, these are the criteria where we apply Six Sigma. And when there is long internal lead times, changeover time is too much, inventories are too high, frequent bottlenecks, and process does not add value. If these kinds of symptoms are there, we generally go for Lean concept implementation. But together, we can achieve an attack on poor delivery challenges, longer customer lead times, capacity problems, and downtime issues. So together, we can solve these issues. So what kinds of tools which are implemented in Lean Six Sigma? Now Six Sigma tools are frequency plots, run chart, Pareto, normality, ANOVA, process sigma, FME, etc. we are going to cover some of the tools in this green belt. And in lean tools, we have takt time, level scheduling, and then changeover reduction like SMED, 5S, Kanban, FIFO, and Kaizen. So these are lean tools. So together, we can apply certain tools from Six Sigma, certain tools from lean, and improve the process in a holistic way. So I hope it gives us a clarity about how lean and Six Sigma can be combinedly utilized and approached in problem solving methodologies.